Hello, my name's Matt Greening. I'm an auditor and consultant at Service Desk Institute. I'm here with David Bullivant from Sunrise Software. Hi David.
Hi Matt.
We're going to have a look at some of the reports within Sunrise Software, which has recently been certified as compliant against the SDI standards. So my favourite report in the standards is incidents caused by change. So can we have a look at that one?
Of course we can, Matt. So as you can see on the screen, on the left-hand side we have all of the SDI recommended reports, and yeah, we're focusing on the caused by change one. What this is actually designed to do is to show me the volume of incidents that are actually being caused by the result of a change. So across the top you've got your graphical view, so you'll notice it in orange. You can see the ones that were incidents that weren't caused by change, and then in blue you can see the number that were. So it gives you a nice kind of visual view of how many incidents have been caused by change. Obviously the main driver is to try and keep it as low as possible. Because the SDI have different levels, so you look at 3, 6 and 12 months, below that you'll see we've got a month by month score. So we can see a running total and also how we're doing against our target.
So we have targets. That is one of the critical elements of the audit. So how does that work? How can you set those up?
Sure, okay. So this is obviously the end game. This is a report that you can produce once you record the data within Sunrise ITSM. If we quickly go to the main product, you'll see we've got an area here where you can quickly and easy edit your targets and KPIs for all of the reports. So if, for example, we go to the an example report, such as the one we looked at, which is instance by change, there's an area there where there's a screen where we can actually see what the current target is. So at the moment we've got a target of less than 5% of the instance log will be caused by change. If we want to update that, it's nice and easy to update the target within a screen within the application itself.
And the targets can be percentages or a threshold, a number as well?
Absolutely, yeah. So they can be a real number, a percentage, or just an overall threshold. And that's all updated within the application itself. So there's no need to have to go and edit or code a report at the back end.
Okay. Can we see one of the other reports?
Of course we can. I mean, is there any particular report, Matt, that is interesting to you or you get asked about a lot?
So yeah, we often, one of the new reports that we look at is bounce rate.
Sure, okay. So we can have a look at that one. So again, within Sunrise ITSM, we already actually record the bounce count anyway. So we have the ability that every time an incident or request is assigned, we actually record that number within the system. It's not actually a number that's often visible on the screen, but it's certainly something that can be used for reporting. So what you're seeing here, similar to the earlier report actually, is where we can actually look at the overall number of bounces and assignments within an organisation on a month-by-month basis. Same as before, you've got your graphical representation across the top, and you've also got your month-by-month results and how you're doing against the target at the bottom. One thing you will notice as well is you can actually filter between incidents and requests. So again, there may be completely different metrics that you need to report, particularly for clients that are working with your good sales to get the accreditation. They may want to be able to filter between the two.
That's really good. So I can see how this would really help a service desk work towards accreditation.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, it's all about the people and process, but if a client is interested in getting the accreditation, then using Sunrise ITSM reports can really help them when it comes to the evidence pack stage.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Matt.